Hello and welcome to today's video. I've teamed up with Park for Night. It's an app which allows you to find somewhere to spend the night in your motorhome or camper van, and we have a prize competition. So if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you more about it then. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you found it interesting. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about Park for Night. It's an app which is community based, which allows you to find somewhere to spend the night in your van. It's something which covers the entire globe. The only continent which is not represented is Antarctica. So if you're in Tierra del Fuego or in New Zealand, you'll find somewhere to park. What if you want to go to Moscow? Well, then you can find somewhere to park there as well. It's all over the place. Now, there are hundreds of thousands of people using it. It's completely free to use. But what happens if there is no internet access where you are? In that case, there is a pro version. The pro version costs €9.90. It's also advertising free, and there's a number of other benefits. We are offering one pro version every month to one of the viewers of my channel. And to get it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it do it on a lottery basis. Is that I have a premiere which is put up at 2100 on several days a week, and at my time, of course. And I will ask somebody at random the date of their birth, and then the month and the date, and then I'll look for the most recent month and the date and go back and find somebody who made a comment on one of the films, and the number will be chosen at random, and I'll pick, for example, if it's number 4, it'll be the 4th comment down, and that person will then win the prize of the pro version. So this is meant to reward those people who actually make comments on the site. So the more comments you make, the more chances you have of winning. But please don't copy and paste, because if you copy and paste, then it goes in the spam folder. So you'll have to sort of write something down. You can just write something simple like nice van, nasty van, thanks for the video, I didn't enjoy it at all, something like that, and that would be enough to enter you into the competition. So thanks for watching. You can also see some of the places I've entered into Park for Night on the app, but I've also got videos of them on this channel.